In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Inventory. To get started, open your Zoho Inventory account and wait for the main dashboard to load. This is your starting point for managing products, stock, vendors, and sales activity. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to look around so you can get familiar with the layout and where the main navigation options are located. Once you're inside the account, click on Inventory. This section is where you'll manage the core parts of your stock and product workflow. It brings together the tools you'll use most often, so it's a good place to begin if you're learning how the system works. Next, click on Items. In this area, you can view the products or goods that are already listed in your account. This section is important because it serves as the foundation for inventory tracking, sales, and purchasing. If you need to add a new product, this is where you can do it. Adding a new item here helps keep your inventory organized and makes it easier to use that item later in orders and invoices. While you're in this section, you can also check inventory adjustments. This is useful when you need to update stock levels to reflect real-world changes such as counting errors, damaged goods, or newly confirmed quantities. Keeping adjustments accurate helps ensure your records match what you actually have available. You can also review vendor details here. Vendor information is helpful for tracking where your items come from and for staying organized when you need to restock products. Having this information easy to access can save time when managing supplier relationships and purchase planning. From this area, you can also begin creating sales orders. Sales orders are used when you want to record what a customer intends to buy before the transaction is fully completed. This can help you stay on top of pending sales and prepare items for fulfillment. In addition to sales orders, you can also create invoices. Invoices are typically used to bill customers for products that have been sold. Creating them inside Zoho Inventory helps keep your sales records connected to your stock activity, which makes tracking much easier. As you continue using the platform, feel free to explore the available options. Zoho Inventory includes several tools that become easier to understand once you spend a little time navigating through them. The more familiar you are with the system, the more confidently you'll be able to manage your inventory and sales processes. That's it for this walkthrough, and now you know the basic way to use Zoho Inventory.